The Army knows that education is key to a soldier's success, both personally and professionally. GoArmyEd is the Army's virtual gateway to education.
Hello, I'm Brigadier General Robert Bennett, the 61st Adjutant General of the United States Army. In today's fast-paced environment, the Army continues to promote quality education for our soldiers. Education is the key that unlocks the door to unimaginable opportunities, both on and off active duty.
GoArmyEd is used by active Army, National Guard, and Army Reserve soldiers, cadets, and Army civilians around the globe. It provides access to courses offered by accredited academic institutions across the country. Through the online portal, GoArmyEd connects soldiers to Army education counselors, schools, tuition assistants, and their education records, no matter where they are stationed.
Tuition assistance allows me the opportunity to pursue and continue my education.
The degrees that I've earned them all, by the way, while on active duty. Bachelor's in Science and Psychology, a Bachelor's in Liberal Arts with a concentration in Business, and a Master's in Human Resources Development.
I have a bachelor's degree and I just finished earning my MBA.
A Master's in Business Administration with a certification in Human Resources.
Throughout in my career as a captain, I went back, used the tuition assistance program to earn my Master's in Business Administration.
I would tell a soldier who has not used tuition assistance, they're leaving money on the table. It's a dynamic program, it's there for you to use.
Your peers are using it. It's a great way to advance your career while in the military. They're going to get ahead of you if you don't use it and keep up.
I'd rate the overall enrollment process a 10 out of 10. I never really have an issue that I can't either resolve on my own or I can contact the help desk and they're readily able to assist me with any frustrations I may have or confusion I may have with my current degree program.
The Army authorizes soldiers to use tuition assistance, up to 16 semester hours with a cap of $250 per credit hour, to obtain a certificate, associate's, bachelor's, or master's degree. Tuition assistance enables soldiers to build a foundation to be successful, not only while they're in the Army, but also in their civilian life.
I decided to pursue my advanced degree to help my civilian job and advance to the next career level.
I would correlate my civilian education to my success in life in that they're directly related. Without my education, I wouldn't be able to have the job that I have now or have other jobs that I've obtained as a civilian. Without an education, I would not have been able to achieve the promotion that I've achieved while in the military, so they're directly correlated.
Education changes a soldier's life, as well as the lives of their families. Pursuing a degree and spending time with your family while serving as a U.S. Army soldier can feel overwhelming at times. GoArmyEd's accessible and easy-to-use resources can help ease some of that burden.
The enrollment process in GoArmyEd is so easy. You could do it at your own time, at your own pace, in your free time. So I tell anybody, just go ahead and enroll. It's a simple process. Anybody can do it.
I think I'm a lifelong learner. I think I decided to pursue a degree because I wanted to enhance not only my personal knowledge, but my professional knowledge as well. I wanted to remain marketable, not only here as a military professional, but one day outside in the civilian world.
I think it's a win-win for the Army and for the soldier. The unit gets a better soldier and citizen, and the soldier learns and grows, advances their career, and advances their employability once they get out of the Army.
Using the GoArmyEd portal for your educational needs and goals puts you one click closer to pursuing your educational dreams.
To learn more, visit GoArmyEd anytime, anywhere. It's our virtual gateway to educational opportunities wherever you are.